This is the easiest way to get coconut out of the shell. First, we're going to get the water out. Now that the coconut is free of water, we're going to go to the next step. You can do this in your air fryer or in the oven. Okay. Put it in. Close. So I left it to cool for about 5 minutes, and now I'm just going to open it up. So I'm just going to use the back of a knife to attempt to crack. Okay, and you want to make sure there's no water, because if there's water in it, it's going to be super hot. Okay, now I have one side out, and then I'm just going to try to pry out the other side. But the goal here is, as the coconut cools, it detaches itself from the shell. And what you're able to do, I'm doing this while it's still warm because I want to finish this video, but you can wait for it to like cool completely before, and that is the easiest way to shell a coconut. Now I'm going to cut it open so you see what it looks like inside.